Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to withdraw BNB from Coinbase Wallet. So withdrawing BNB, that is Binance Coin, from Coinbase Wallet requires a few careful steps since Coinbase Wallet is non-custodial. And here's how you can safely withdraw BNB or transfer it for payout in 2025. So first, launch the Coinbase Wallet application on your phone or browser extension. Navigate to your BNB holding under your Assets tab. Then confirm whether your BNB is on the BNB chain, that is BEP20, and not on Ethereum or other chains. Ensure your BNB is on the BNB Smart Chain for cheaper fee. Also, confirm you have enough BNB for gas fee. BNB itself is used to pay for transactions on this network. So decide where you are withdrawing to. This could be Binance Exchange, Trust Wallet, or another wallet supporting BEP20 BNB. So copy your BEP20 BNB address. You can also just go to the exchange and choose for BNB. Then it will show up this page where you will see BNB instead of Ethereum. You can just click on copy and copy this address. So basically tap your BNB token, then select send. Paste the BEP20 receiving address and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then double check that the network matches or your funds could be lost. Coinbase Wallet will show an estimated BNB gas fee. Review the total cost and confirm you have enough BNB left to cover it. Adjust speed if needed because faster transactions might cost slightly more. After verifying the address, amount and fee, tap confirm. Your BNB will be sent to the receiving address. You can track the transaction using a BNB chain explorer like bscscan.com. Once your BNB arrives in the receiving wallet or exchange, you can sell it for fiat or swap it for stable coins on Binance or similar platforms. This usually takes just few clicks to complete your payout. So that's how you withdraw BNB from Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.